I'm Marie Chad.
I'm
Oh,
sure.
invisible man.
Oh, great.
Are you actually?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, that's so good.
Let's go.
Right.
Yes.
Who's
Hello.
Velma? Who's Velma?
Wait, who's Chuck?
I'm
I'm
Chuck.
Velma.
I'm Chuck. So I should.
Oh.
Yeah. Right. Oh, Pat, you've got a decent character then.
Oh, I'm Richard.
Yeah, you're jazzed out.
It looks like he's dressed
Alright,
as a
alien
Ronald
ship.
Bagsy's mine. Bagsy's mine. Bagsy's mine. Yeah.
Oh, invisible man.
He's behind. Which way do you want to go? This way?
I want to go this way.
Alright. Bro, this is a serious game. Oh, he's in front. He's in front.
Jeez, take me to the Xbox.
They went straight ahead, so that's good. We split up, by the way.
With you.
Oh, don't worry.
Oh no, I've just split up with everyone. That's good.
You were behind. Why did you stop falling? Oh, because I'm invisible.
And I think it's because he's there.
Go that way. Go that way.
Oh no, I'm gonna die then. Great.
This is a great start.
No, we're gonna
I'm
win it.
dead. I'm dead. Yes, I see Pat. I see Pat.
Where are you guys?
How many guys are we dead?
Yes.
Oh, I've seen Chuck.
Yes.
I've seen Chuck.
It's your fault, Pat.
Bro, where have you two gone?
Chilling.
I think they went left.
Okay, we're a bit behind you, so could you wait up like?
No.
No,
we're
Chuck
getting
was
there.
No,
there.
we're
He's behind
literally
us.
we're literally 10
He's
seconds
behind us.
behind.
Wait, actually, no. Wait,
Yeah, it's fine. He's gone. Bro, these two keep running off. We're like the slow kids.
Whoa, he's behind me. In missile room.
Hey.
We're the kids that have no clue what's going on in the team activities, and we're just trying to keep up.
Oh man, I'm MVP
Okay.
every game. I get 0 tapes. I'm too good.
He's in the morgue.
Yeah, man.
Right, train's here.
Go train and go straight back to the morgue. Otherwise, we'll never,
Yeah,
we'll
but
never
he's
get.
not even in the morgue.
Right, he's at train. He's at train. So let's go
Morgue.
back.
Why are you fucking around? Okay, I've got the one in morgue. I'm going back into the filing cabinet.
Oh, good.
Right,
I don't know.
but you're on your own.
Blowing to my penis with tension. Christ.
Oh yes, please.
Right, okay.
Train.
Yeah, let's go train. Come on, we got this time. This game.
Chuck looks like such a sex offender.
Every register there is, I'm on it. Remember that.
Kant is in here. I'm just
Wow.
I'm running past him.
This makes us big.
I didn't understand that.
This fucking song.
Oh, this is computers this way. No, it's not. That's not
Well,
computers.
it's summit. It's summit.
Ah.
That's a wall, mate.
No, we're done. We're done with missiles.
Yeah. Bro. Oh, okay, okay.
Did you die?
No, very close. He's behind Pat. He's left.
Yep.
How often do you have to look for him? Because when I was running away, I just ran away from him. I didn't have to look back.
Well, that's because you were on your own. He was probably right behind you the entire time, and you were
Well, yeah, he did clip through me at one point.
Well, you were proper. You're proper rapid. Your character as well. He's right. Todd, don't go that way. I hear one this time. He's there.
Ryan must be careful, boys.
Shit, I'm almost dead.
Where is it?
It's where he is. We can't get it unless he moves.
He's still there.
No, I don't think so.
No, right, let's go get it.
He was really taking his time there.
Well, he was just stood on it.
There we go.
Right, he's not very close.
Cheers, is on the
Just very close. But why are you crossing?
Because there's sometimes a thing on here. I'm coming back.
I'm not crossing.
Oh, he's
Oh,
in
he's
front of us. Yes, we have to now.
There isn't one.
I had to go into bloody
There he is.
prison.
Don't look at the left, Ben.
I'm trying. Oh my days.
He's blocked me off. This is good.
Where are you?
I think he's gone now.
I went through the door at the submarine area.
Right, so you're nowhere
Oh
near
shit,
us.
he's right in front of me. I can't get back out. He's just blocking me in.
Oh, we can't leave him behind.
I'm still at that door.
Actually, yeah, we can.
Oh, you're such a
No, I'm kidding. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Try and cross the submarine if you can. Yeah,
Yeah,
nice.
you can definitely cross that. I can't tell if you have
Oh,
them.
I
blind.
can't tell you how close he was.
Right, is that you there, Todd? Yeah, there you are.
Yeah.
Right, cool. That was a close one.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Nice work.
You're gonna leave him, Ben. Fuck.
Ben's just like,
We're ready
okay,
to
I
go.
want my tapes.
What are we even on?
Bro, where is he? Oh, okay.
Oh, he's behind. Run.
Yeah, just keep going.
You're right there, Todd.
Yeah.
You're right, mate.
I can't look around.
Right.
2 more tapes, boys. We got this. I know we said that last time.
Well, Pat, you need to stay alive because you always die first, and then it just crumbles from there.
Alright, I'll
We
try
get one
to stay
from
alive.
Morg.
Left. Oh,
To the left.
yeah.
Prison's this way. We need to go to prison.
Yes.
We haven't been to prison yet.
Yeah.
Back.
Oh,
Who died?
I'm nearly dead.
He's there. He's there, boys. Oh, run away.
I'm following Chuck.
Yeah.
He's right behind us, boys.
Well, Ben's gone that way.
Look, you're not
That's
coming with me.
Right, we need to wait for Ben.
Good point.
No, he's
well,
right
we
behind
can't.
us.
We can't.
Yeah, you can. You
Yeah.
come back. Come back.
No,
I'm in
the
prison.
monster's right there.
Come back.
He,
come
no,
back,
he's
come back,
literally
come back,
just
come
there.
back. Well, my game's just like to hell.
I think we need to start making sacrifices.
Alright, boys. The black guy always dies at the hospital, so I'll take the one for the team.
You're a ginger guy dressed as Ronald
Yeah.
McDonald. Pal.
Oh, good point. Who's the darkest character here?
Chuck.
Alright, Chuck. I think you should die. And Chuck's the
I
fattest.
hear
too,
one.
so-
I hear one. Oh, I see a guy. I'm nearly dead. Right, go back where we came from. Back where we
Yeah,
came
we
from.
got a backtrack. We got a backtrack.
Have we been to Morg yet?
Yes.
Yes,
It's just
what?
that
Alien,
room.
alien
It's just
ship.
that room. Which way did we go? Left or right? Was it?
Pretty sure I was right.
That's right, yeah.
Right. Okay, he's chasing. So Ben, wait up a bit.
I am dead, boys.
No, for God's sake, Pat, stop dying.
I'm sorry,
Stop
boys.
dying first.
Yeah, it's one left. You guys easily got this.
Ben,
Which
wait
room
up.
is it?
Wait up.
Is it the one with the fetuses in?
I don't know. We just haven't been in there. It's the one directly left of here.
Oh, we're back at train.
What? That's a big corridor.
Shit. Oh, let's not. Oh, he's right behind Todd. Just
He
don't
just
look.
disappeared. He disappeared. That's why I'm disappeared.
Right, in here. In here. Let's
It's
have a
Groove
That's-
playing something. Oh, fuck you to the
Oh,
side.
you.
Oh, you got molested.
No way. I didn't look at him at all.
What room is this? A new room.
The fetus room.
Come on.
Thing.
It might be. Have we checked it?
Wait, can you see me?
yeah.
Oh, I
Yeah,
think that's a ghost. Oh, you're dead. Shit, I didn't know.
Wait, Ben, you died.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good.
Yes, on train. Cross the train. Yes,
No
it's down
way.
here.
No
yes.
way.
Yes.
Go
Oh,
on.
imagine
yes,
not getting
yes.
the last tape.
Come on.
Pathetic.
Yes.
Come on. Come on. Switch that blooming thing off.
Oh,
We won.
that's pretty good.
Let's go.
I think we should do it again, but try and speedrun it.
Oh, back carrying again.
How did you get these screams inside the longest?
He's just goated.
Tired of screwing up, tired of going down, tired of myself, tired of this town.
Yeah, Freestyle Friday number 17. My name is E-Double, his name is Tom Petty. And here we go. Small pond, big pond, the fish are the only difference. City out of harmony, lingering on the dissonance. Fishermen wrapping up citizens with their fishing nets. Sometimes chemical, some played old imprisonment. Dissidents laughing at themselves as if they had a voice, acting like technology really